Yeah, please share your screen.
So this is what I did. I added all of it, like I let it remain, but then I created like different for like circle. There is for triangle, then cone, square, and cube, and Control E, and that's how I'm like calling them with the object and passing the values. So if I say execute, oh, uh, 1 second. I guess the session got expired. So just 1 second. So done. Now here and yeah, here it is. So that's fine, Shan.
So guys, are you able to see her screen and check? So it's just a formula, right? So you have used the formula and using that you are able to create it, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, please show the result. Okay, that looks great. What about others? Guys, could you please just explain any of the method to everyone so that they would also know?
Sure. Sorry about that. So, hmm, so we did this. So we saw it in the last class. That was fine. But then the other one that I created was for circle, and the input that I'm taking for this is radius, which is integer. And then for the area, I just wrote the formula, and then system.debug is for the print statement so that we can fetch the result. And then for the circumference, this was the formula. These are the hard-coded values, and then just the radius multiplication. And same as above, this was for the printout statement that we use. And yeah, so like that was for circle. Then for triangle, I did like the height and the base as per the formula. So area is like height into base, and then the formula that was there. And this is for the output. Yeah, similarly for cone, and then for square and cube. And we saw like with Control E, you can enter these details. So this we defined already for the object, like how we do it in Java. So we defined an object, which is my box. And I'm using my box and then calling the methods. And then since I took like how you guys can see that the input variable like this, and this is the value that I'm using. And so the side is going to be 18, and that's how it's going to like give me the value. And yeah, so like once I execute it, so basically. And then we are supposed to do say debug only, and that's how we can see just these values. So volume of the box, volume area of rectangle, area of triangle, and then it's in the same order as we call them. If you see in Control E, so it's like first volume of the box, then triangle, cone, square, cube. So yeah.
So, guys, can anyone try it? Jerry, would you
Yeah.
like to share your screen and try it
Okay.
now? Yes, Nashi, please make him the host so that he can share the screen, and you can help
Sure.
him to
Yeah, sure.
create one method,
Sure.
one simple
Just
method. Okay.
there you go, Jerry.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
So this is what I was doing. And I was creating a new, I didn't use the old one because this is the old one that we did. I watched the video and then I follow what you did, but I created a new one for area of a circle.
Yes, that's fine as well.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you see the line 10. It's having a problem over here. So I try to here.
So yeah, it cannot be in the quotes. You have to remove the quotes. And then the string.
If I remove the quotes, it gives a lot of error.
Yeah. So there's a
11.
few more quotes down, so you have to remove that. And also the string dot to string.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what are you trying to calculate, like mm, online, then invalid constructor name. Yeah, so it's not valid. So that stop that full stop, you have to remove that. Like that's not how, like, do you see like above, like how you have called the method, it's private double calculate area. So there
Yeah.
is an below that, oh, even there, like you see like private double radius, there
Yeah.
is no in between like dot. So there also you can remove like string dot, so you can remove that. And yeah, so if you, it should be gone. Now it says method user override string area of the circle to. Also, it seems that a to um, public class area of circle. I'll do it from the beginning. uh, and public class area of the circle. So that's fine. And then there is private double radius. Why did you put it like a private? Like then it'll not be able to, you'll not be able to share. So you can remove private. Private is like you're just defining it for like this certain only. So you can remove that.
Then just leave it, please.
Then you're saying area of the circle, double radius.
So I should make it
Okay.
area.
No. I was going to say I was seeing the below command.
Okay.
So you said area of the circle, double radius.
Yeah.
Okay. And then there is, so you're like defining basically radius again and again. So once you have said like double radius above, you can just say radius. You don't have to write double there. Like it does not make,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
That's not needed.
if
Yeah,
I
you
change
can
it,
remove.
it's going to affect all the radios. So that here to have to change the double radius over here, right?
Or
the
you can
second
just
line,
write, you can write double there.
this one can write a double. Okay, what about the third line? Because when I move
Yeah,
it,
the right third line, double. But then I'm thinking that the second line itself is not needed. If you are going to define if a double, if space. Yeah. And you are using this operator. So that's like
so the
so
10,
much Java for me. uh,
line 10 to
so yeah, it's not able to to string, that's not it, that's so what are you trying to do basically here in line 10?
line 10.
Like print it?
What I was trying to do is
So it's not able to identify, like that is not yeah, and then you can again not give string, so it'll not understand string. You cannot give a string as a method name because that's like a keyword, right? So yeah, so instead of the 10th, like you can totally remove the 10th line, and you have already calculated the area of circle. So I would say print the command there itself, like instead of yeah, and remove the 10th line, like that braces, remove that braces also. Yeah, and remove 9th, delete line 9th line also. And instead of saying in 8th line, instead of saying return radius, I would have done area or something like that, like say give it like area equals to no oh okay, yeah, area equals to radius into radius.
okay, so should I take this one off too? Is that what you want me to do? It area is equal to radius, right?
Radius multiply by radius. So area is basically 3.1, like pi, so which is I don't know if Salesforce understands math.pi. I would just remove that and say that 3.14, give that value. Radius multiply the star symbol, the star. No, the operator. Just that star. And radius again. And again the star operator. And then write 3.14. The pi value. 3.14. And colon. No, the dot and the No, the dot and the perfect. And perfect. And then now to print that.
9.
Yeah. So in Salesforce, it seems we use system dot debug bug. Yeah. And you use the first, like click on the first one that's showing you. Yeah. That's it. Now I would have like copied from the line 11th, whatever you have written, the area, no, just from the area of circle, the area of circle. Yeah, perfect. Oh, copy that. And yeah. And space equals to equal. Yeah. And then after the quote, like like neck. Yeah. And say plus. And say area. Just write area. No, with the plus. I don't know if it, I did not try. Yeah, area. Okay. And then completely delete line 11. Okay. Now, this, it will go off. Now, in line 7, we see that it says it's private. So again, we'll remove the word private and say instead write public here. Now, oh, and one more thing, we have to define so radius, and we there above where you have written in lines 2 double radius. And after radius I would have done a comma, not before before that, there radius comma radius comma and space and write area. So I think missing
Returns the
7.
7.
Missing return statement require return type double. Oh, instead of writing double there, just say void. Remove double and say void. So that will go away. And can you comment on the the area of the circle, like line 3, 4, and 3, 4. Yeah, 3 and 4.
Can I do what?
Can you comment, like do the slash like how you have done in line 6, like comments? So line
Okay.
3, line 3,
I should do it on line 3.
do like the slash, and line 4
Mhm.
and line 5.
Line 5, there's nothing over there.
Yeah, it's gonna create an issue. Yeah.
What about line 7?
No, we don't want to do that.
It's a missing. Okay, okay. So why did you put that line over there? I don't understand.
I did that because it's basically not helping us here. Like we don't what it's returning is radius. Like this dot radius equals to radius. The basically whatever calculation that's happening, it's happening in public void calculated area, right? And in the current situation, that method means nothing to us. So it's basically like an extra calculation. And why to do that? So that's why I just commented it. And so basically public class area of circle, that's like the main class, like how we have like box class there. And it is having like it is having radius and area. We are defining it there. And then in public void calculated area method, we are calculating and printing the value. Now you have to press Control E, letter E, together in your system. Like on, yeah, perfect. Now there, instead of writing box class, we have to define area of circle. AREA. So you have to write area of circle like together, like how you have defined it. The method. Yeah. So area of circle and then again space. So like Jerry, do you understand like the first line that we created? Like the first line that you wrote, like box class, my box is equals to new box class. So that's basically like you're defining an object for the class, the major class that we had in the box class. Now in area of circle, I would not say my boy, you can say like my circle or something because it's circle. uh yeah, you can type in circle. So that's basically the object name that you created. Now equals space equals, no, after my circle. Yeah, equals space new, and then space, and then again area of circle, like together. And the closing, opening and closing brackets, like now you're basically writing it as a method, and the closing quotes. Yeah, perfect. Now using this object that we created, we can call the different methods that are there in the class. So enter, You can go to new line. So enter. Perfect. Now here, write my circle. My circle dot and write calculated area, like how you have written calculate area. So CALCULATE and A caps. Yeah, area A cap. And in the then do the brackets and colon. After the like close, yeah, and the state colons, like close it, like dot and comma. No, dot and comma. Close it. And comment the first and second, because right, I don't know if we can run like two classes at the same time, but this is going to run two codes at the same time. So might throw an error, might run both of them. So I would comment like to the slash for first two, 1 and 2 commands. That's not needed at the moment, right? Box class. So do the double slashes for line 1 and line 2. In the enter Apex code, the class that's there. Yeah. Line 1. So 3 and 4 you just now wrote. And in for line 1 and 2, you have to do double slash. So where box class is written in line 1. Yeah. Yeah. First, starting. Comment it. You have to comment it. Yeah. Slash. And line 2, same way. Line 2, starting. Yes. Okay, perfect. Now, we can see, we can run this, but it might throw an error for us. So we will check on that later. You execute it. Let's see, but we will have an error. So basically, why it did not run is that it does not, like radius does not have any value. So radius is calculating to radius, but then we never gave radius any value. So that's why it is throwing an error. Now, in line 7 of the Apex code that we are writing, and it says public void calculate area, right? In the brackets, I would write double radius. And so now you have defined that we will give the value when we are calling the method. Now where the end control E, the yeah, this one we are using, right? Now in line 4, inside the brackets, no, in the enter Apex code, yeah, line 4, we give any random number, write any number, whatever radius you want to be. Yeah. Now execute it. Call it 10. It's so strange. Mhm. So 1, 2, the major class is public class, area of circle, then double radius area, and public void, calculate area is equal to area into 3.14 is the work. And can you execute it? Like, let's check what was the error again it was showing. Line 4,
Line 4, column 10.
10. Method does not exist or incorrect signature. Void calculate area integer from the type. Oh, okay. Do okay. And instead of 4, say 4.00 in line 4 in, yeah, because you said double, right? So execute. I don't know, Jerry. Can you can you define instead of double? Can you say it integer? And I think it should solve the trouble, but we can check later why for radius it's not. Like there you can keep it double, so that's fine. And remove radius from there, just area, define, yeah, say double. And remove radius from there. Remove radius. Yeah, just keep area without the comma. Yeah, remove comma as well. No, area we've done it already. Remove the, yeah. Perfect. And here in calculate area, instead of double, write integer there. It's showing us integer only there. I don't know why. And in the calculate area, in the enter apex code there, line 4, where you have written 4.00, write just 4. Yeah. Execute. Wait. From the type area of circle. What is the trouble that this guy is having with us? So public class area of circle, double area. That's how it should be. And then there's public void, calculate area, integer radius. That's fine. Then you're calculating the area. Then you're throwing the. Cherry, do you mind like removing all the commented area? Like just delete it. Let's keep it clear. I don't know why, even if that's, I don't know what's the error. Like remove line 6 from 3 till 6, remove it completely, like delete it. Like select line 3, 4, 5, 6 and delete it. Yeah. And from enter apex code, and in the where line 1, 2, 3, 4, where we are writing 4, where we are giving radius the value 4.
This
No,
line.
in enter apex code, where you have written my circle dot calculate area. Calculate area. No, here. On enter, control E and then the years.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Remove line 1 and 2. Now, if it throws an error, we'll call Shan. So, shh. Oh my God. Oh, so okay. So strange. Public class is public void. That's how it should be. So public void calculate area of circle AREAOF my circle calculate. The spellings are all fine, so that's not definitely not an issue. Um, now we also removed any extra parts that's there, so even that should not be an issue, right?
Mm-hmm.
So strange. What is inside that? I don't know. Shan, do you wanna help? Like, I don't know what's the issue. I know it's some smallest mistake.
Okay. So let's see. What are the things you have done? Right. You want to find out area of the circle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you are putting area of the circle, my circle, that is fine. My circle dot calculate area, that is also fine. Now let's see what is happening over here. So you are having public void calculate area, integer radius, you are passing the radius, area equals to radius into 3.14k. Yeah, that should give. Why is it not giving? What error you are getting? Execute, please. Okay, method does not exist or incorrect signature. Void calculate area. Okay, put okay. Yeah. So calculate area, my circle, area of circle. Wait, why it is not able to pick it? Let me just see.
I checked the spelling and everything, like that's not even an issue, so that's fine. Or else
And
we can
both
try
are
is
public. Oh, you have not see. You have not saved it. Go to class and press Control S. Save it, please. There is star
oh
mark. That means it is not saved. Yeah. Now execute. Yeah.
Okay.
Go to logs and check the debug logs.
no on yeah, go to log, yeah, in the second in the second box, in the second down down down, move your, yeah, name above logs.
Just calculate if it is the same which you were looking for.
Yeah, it's the same.
It is correct, Chan.
Hello, Sean.
So guys, are you able to create the methods? And currently we are only seeing void. That means the method is not returning anything, right? Later on, we'll see how we can return a value from a method. And currently you need to do it for void only. And Jerry, please do all the homeworks so that you know how the method works. And
Okay.
yeah, so now you got right. So you don't have to put anything which you learned in Java so far, because you might have learned advanced things over there. But here, as we are at initial step, so we are doing the basic things. So consider basic steps and create the methods. Okay,
Okay.
and call them and see if you are getting the desired result. Okay,
Okay.
so you can try it out. And others, you guys can have done it for circle, cone. You can see, check other steps like how you can uh, calculate the area of certain different steps like hexagon or any other thing, how you can calculate the area. Okay, you can just try it out. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, that's like to make yourself comfortable with methods, how you can calculate these all steps. And you can also try max of 2 number. Okay.
Okay.
Maximum of 2 number, minimum of 2 number, and average of 2 number. Okay.
Okay.
You guys can note it down. Maximum, minimum, and average of 2 number. You need to calculate. Got it?
All right.
Okay. So that will be your homework as well. So please try it out and let me know if you face any difficulty. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Have a
Sure.
nice day.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.